When to descale. Descaling is determined by the TDS level of the raw water. Two descaling solution options are available. Remove the raw water tank before proceeding. Option A, citric acid solution. Option B, white vinegar solution. Install the raw water tank filled with descaling solution back onto the main unit. The machine will automatically flush for 30 seconds, then automatically start filtration and stop once the pitcher is full. Lightly tap the flushing button and wait for the machine to automatically flush for 2 minutes. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times. Unplug the machine and let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. Empty and clean the raw water tank, refill it with fresh tap water, and reinstall it. After descaling, a complete system flush is required before drinking the water. Please refer to our system flushing tutorial video for detailed instructions.